Okay, lastly on this side of the page, or this side of your notes, we're going to be talking about the slope-intercept form a little bit. I talked about it in the last lesson a little bit, but I didn't really formalize it, so I thought I'd formalize it right here. The slope-intercept form of a line is, I'm going to write this in here, y equals mx plus b. Some people do b plus mx. That's kind of a good one too, because think of b as your starting point, where b, or where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So with that in mind, let's take a look at these two equations and let's identify the slope and the y-intercept. Now what I want you to do is maybe just pause it for a second and see if you can do it on your own, but I'm going to identify them right now. When I look at this one, we know that the slope is given by the m, which is usually connected, is always connected, sorry, I shouldn't say usually, the m, which is connected to the x. So we're going to find what's connected to the x. We got a -6 connected to it, so therefore our slope is -6. And the b is usually the thing not connected to the x right there. There's your b, and so in this situation our b is -5. Don't forget about the, if there's a subtraction there, it's a -5, okay? Let's come over here. Just because it swaps the order doesn't mean the m is this 2 now, okay? Just because it comes first, the m is what's connected to the x. So the m in this position, or the slope, would be our -5 right there. And thus the b would be the -2 in this situation. So that's how you can identify the slope and the y-intercept by looking at an equation in slope-intercept form.